Okay guys, we open a long position on gold. I don't know, something happened. I was live, but it didn't happen. So just we are long on gold. You still can open the position 1930. We are going long on gold. Okay, I don't know what happened. This tech something issue. So we are live. We are going long on gold. Something happened. Can you see me, guys? Okay, so we are going long on gold. I have opened a position. I was talking, but in this live session, I don't know, something happened. I was not going live. I thought that I am on live, but it didn't happen anyway. So we are long on gold. We open a buy position on gold, and I was just I thought that you guys can see me in this live session, but it was on preview. Can you hear me, guys? Can you let me know? So just letting you know that in this live session, I opened buy position. I thought that you guys can see me. Unfortunately, it was not showing on live. That preview was showing that I am on live, but it wasn't live. So just to let you know that the price is at entry. So in this live session, we have opened buy position on gold. Thank you very much. So let's look at what's happening in this trade. The trade that just opened, as you can see on the lower time frame, on the 15 minutes after this news, we have opened buy position on gold. And okay, thank you very much. Yes, okay, we missed you for 20 minutes only. Actually, I thought that you guys can see me. Unfortunately, because I saw the preview, but something happened technically. I don't know. That's anyway, I missed you for 20 minutes. That's ridiculous. Okay, so we are on live now. What I see that I called for a trade, buy trade on gold, which is now in a pullback. All right, so this is the trade that I just have called for. All right, guys, so hopefully that you can see me. When I started the live session, I started exactly in the same time, but unfortunately due to some technical issue, the live didn't go. Now I'm on live, and in this live you can see that once I open a position on gold buy position. So we saw that with that buy position, gold now coming for a pullback. So we bought at around 1930, which is now a little bit in the downside. I will explain why I have opened this position. If I see that anything going wrong, we might go close break even. Let's see how it does first of all. So let me see. If we see that gold is reversing, then we might close break even based on how it does. My apology, I came in live exactly in the same time, but something technically happened. It didn't go, it didn't go live, but anyway, I came back to you guys. So in the meantime, when the news has been released, there was a trade called in this live gold buy trade. Now let me explain why I have called for the trade. So still the trade is valid, but anything can happen. Keep in mind, everything here we are doing is only for educational purpose, and only to open any trade in this demo account. So we see that gold, the candle that has closed on the 15 minutes, which is a very strong bullish candle, and based on that price action, I have called for gold buy trade. So which is still running. Let me know in the chat if you understood what I said. Okay, thank you very much. There is no we can see you, hear you. Okay, yes, we can hear you and loud and clear, and thank you very much. Can gold reach 1970? Yep. So I will exit gold 1945. Very good. So we are on a buy trade in this live YouTube live trade. This one I called around 15 minutes earlier. I thought that I am on live, but unfortunately it didn't came on live. Now we see that gold, after the news announcement, created a price action that looks to me bullish. So I also opened the same trade, which is now we are at the entry point. So there is a 15 minutes candle is closing. Let's see how it does. So the price action is still bullish. We are at the point of entry. So anyone want to open, if you do the proper risk management and if you open in demo, it is still valid. But let's see how it does. Anything can happen. We could see that this trade may be coming down for deeper retracement, and let's see how it does. But the way I see that this market is for me is still bullish. So after the news release, we see this candle, which is a bullish candle, a middleman. Okay, so any reversal, if there is any reversal, we will exit break even. Let's see how it does. Very slender bullish price action. We might see drop. Let's see how it does. Okay, so we might see, let me see what it's trying to do. There's a doji has formed at the top. So it has broken the local structure on the 5 minutes. After that we can expect again bullish move. This gold market is significantly bullish, and let's see if we need to exceed the trade break even. We'll do that. First let me see how it does. This 5 minutes candle is crucially important. So if we see that this market, let's say, form a double bottom here, and then we can expect another bullish move. But gold, if we look at the daily, okay, this is a very strong bullish market on the daily. The price already tested this level, and what I'm expecting on the daily and higher time frame gold to continue to go up, because this market from the weekly as well, we already have seen that there is a proper it's on the monthly resistance, but the price already has a pullback and has done enough retracement. So from the 1 hour, we saw that the previous 1 hour candle is a middleman, and this 1 hour candle, we can expect it to be another bullish candle. Okay, so in the 5-minute chart, let's see how it is doing now. If we see that again the bullish move being started, so we can expect it to push up. Okay, all right, so we open a buy position on gold. And also guys, I thought that I was live. That's really ridiculous. I just was talking and did all the intro and everything, and I realized that after 25 minutes I saw that viewers are still waiting. I see, what? I'm on live talking, calling for trade, but viewer is still waiting. So what am I doing here? And then I called my moderator and he said that okay, I'm not on live anyway. Lucky that I came back. Okay guys, so let me know in the chat which one. In the meantime guys, give a big like. Now I'm live, so give a big like, everyone. Smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. By the way, if you're new to the channel today, this is Forex Wizard from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So we call for a trade on gold, buy trade in this live session. So this trade also sent to the students as well. As I mentioned, then we more often open trade in this live session. Just keep in mind that everything here is only for educational purpose. So any trade calling is just for educational purpose. Nothing to be taken any kind of investment advice. So okay, so we see that gold is significantly bullish so far, and if I look at other instrument, let me look at some other instrument, what they're doing. So it's a Aussie yen has a very strong breakdown. There is a bearish candle has formed in Aussie yen. So there is a candle close. Let me see what is doing what. Okay, UJ has a strong breakdown. Euro AUD. So there is a Euro news coming up. Euro AUD getting very volatile. Euro CAD also highly bearish. Now it's going up for a pullback. So euro dollar guys, euro dollar, as I mentioned, there's a Euro news coming up, and euro dollar already has formed a bearish candle. What I think that euro dollar might be going up to this level, grabbing liquidity, and then we could see that euro dollar is coming back down again. So with that, let me see how price action is forming. If we see that the bulls are not strong enough, we might close break even. We are at entry. Okay, so far I see that bulls are stronger. So this is the fourth trade today. It's here. Not today, like this is the fourth trade on gold this week. So past 3 trades was winner on gold, all of them. And this one also I'm expecting to have some profit on this, but the way, let's see. Okay, the price action looking still bullish, which is good for us. Anyone on this gold trade, let me know in the chat, guys. I know that if you are a VIP students, definitely you are on the gold trade, because I send that a lot to the VIP Telegram channel. Pascal. Awesome. Keep in mind, guys, keep the position smaller, okay, because very volatile market, anything can happen. The market will go up, but it might come and you know, smash us, and you know, stop loss hit, and then we'll go in the direction. So make sure that you keep your position very small. If you are a very smaller account, not more than 0.01 lot, okay, though it is now in going to the profit zone. Yeah, so it's moving. Okay, so if you open late, then probably you should be on a profit in this trade, but I'm at entry. I'm at entry. Okay, so this 15 minutes candle, we see that it's a very narrow candle. So long wick means that the bulls are buying the market, which is good for us. The more bulls, the better for us, because we are bullish. Yeah, I think so. I think gold will be bullish. Let's see. I could be wrong at any point. First, let this resistance to be broken. Okay, we should see that movement to the upside. All right. See that multiple liquidity gap along this zone. Now, if this resistance is not broken, we could see break of local structure, and then maybe we could see that again bullish move. So we are at entry, a little bit of in profit. Let's see how it does. And so why can we see that? Why? We need this to break to the upside, right? Okay, so this 15 minutes candle is closing. I want it to close as a doji to the upside. It needs to break this high. Okay, it needs to go up to close as a bullish doji. then we will see that the price pushing high. All right, that's good for us. Now it's pushing high. Okay guys, smash the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Okay, so this pin bar, this 15 minutes candle is closing as a bullish doji, which should give us some momentum to the upside. We saw that bullish doji. Don't come down. What the heck are you doing? Okay, see that that's liquidity gap. Okay, so we see that just in the first might come to grab liquidity from this 20 EM even. So there is a euro news. Because of this euro news, it's getting volatile. Keep it up. So you see that there is a big spike to the upside on euro. So let's look at what's happening with euro news. So there's no change in the financing rate, so which is should be pushing the gold high. So dollar is still bearish. Okay, gold is remaining still bullish. Let me look at the 1 hour. So you see that so with this candle we need it to go up and close above. Okay, this is big. So with the euro news, the price has a liquidity gap. Okay, so we'll keep looking at other instrument, how they are doing. Gbpjpy is significantly bearish. You can see that this is what exactly expected. GJ. Okay, so gold had a spike. That's good. So we need to see already the price grab liquidity multiple times. So you see the buyers are buying the market on gold. Again, we are at entry, and I want it to spike to the upside, which is happening now. All right, go up and keep that what we need, isn't it? The profit. So okay, we are on almost in the profit zone now. Now this candle is crucial. Okay, we saw that multiple times liquidity grab and let it close above this resistance, which is very important. Okay, yeah, I'm in profit zone now. Very good. This is the gold trade that we are running. Come on, don't try to come down. So after we see this breakout, we will move our stop loss a bit earlier here. Okay, a bit forward to reduce the risk. But the question is, if this one is closing as a bearish candle, that's a risk. We are at the entry. Okay, so if this one is closing as a red candle, like at the bearish engulfer, we might close the position. We are at entry, even in the profit zone. Okay, let it go up, close above as a bullish candle. Okay, as a bullish doji or as a bullish pin bar. Okay, so which is still, should be still bullish. Okay, yeah. All right, that's what we need. Push up. So let it go up. We will move slowly, stop loss, and we'll trail the trade if it's moving in the direction that we expected. Okay, so we see that gold is going up. That's good. Now we need this resistance to be broken and candle to be closed above, guys. Otherwise, okay, very good. All right, so it is moving in profit now. Amazing. Okay, very good. So the price is reaching a resistance level. At any point there is a probability for reversal. So let's see how it does, and we might close partially and then we'll move the stop loss at entry and we'll keep running. Or if you want, I'll tell you, either you can close with full profit or you can close with half and then moving the stop loss at entry. Okay, here you see back to back two buy alert in this zone according to our TF indicator, according to our trend following strategy, and gold is moving in the direction that we expected. So let it first move up. Now this is our TF or trend following strategy indicator giving us buy alert in the lower time frame, but I recommend you to use on the higher time frame. So this is in fact our TF strategy. Now the way it has broken to the upside, anything can happen. Let me see what it might do on the 15 minutes. Now I'll explain to you guys why I've opened this trade. We do have this is our trend following strategy applied on the lower time frame. You see that? Okay, so euro dollar has a strong breakdown as expected. This is what exactly posted in my analysis as well. So as a result, do you see that bullish move on gold? We'll keep running gold trade. Let's see what's happening. Dollar yen, so yen getting strongest, GJ also melting down, and we see that like against everything, like yen is the strongest, and we saw that euro dollar having a very strong rejection as expected from that point of zone that we discussed. And euro AUD, you can see that euro AUD, because you know euro is becoming very weaker, the way it has formed price action here, which is significantly very. So with that in mind, let's go back to gold. Now gold form multiple candle on the lower time frame, which is bullish. Now this current sessions candle on the 15 minutes is also, so far it's bullish. Now on the 5 minutes is formed a candle which is also bullish, so which is a long wick at the top with a healthy body, which is likely to be filled at the top. Okay, let me look at the chat, guys. How are you doing? So we are running gold live trade, guys. This is only for educational purpose in this live session. So this is the 4th trade on gold that consecutively first 3 trade on gold was winner, and we according to our strategies. Now the 4th one is running in profit. Let's see how it does. Thank you, Chandra. Boss, I will sell 90% of the gold position. No problems, you can do that. Manage it functions. I want to buy your signals. Any question? If anyone want to learn join us, there is a link in the description area. You can visit our website, join us. Any question, there's a live chat available. Isa is there, she will be able to answer most of your question. If anything still particular, I will also be there if needed, no problem at all. So let's look at now what gold is doing. Now if gold cannot break this high, we'll see what it might do. So on the 15 minutes, we see that this candle is also bullish candle. We have seen that multiple times liquidity grab from this support zone, giving gold a very strong bullish momentum. Very good, Shayla. Thank you. Amazing. Gilbert, I sold gold, holding 10% position only. Very good. Gold. Great job. Okay, so let me see how it is doing. Okay, the way I see price action is bullish, guys. We are running in good profit on gold, and hopefully that this one will break to the upside, and then the price will continue to rise. Hope for the best, prepare for the worst, always manage your risk. Okay, we see that this is not good. So it's forming bunch of dodges. 3 15 minutes candle, there are dodges. Okay. Need to see bulls getting strength. I need to close. We need momentum. Okay, we need bullish momentum. So we saw that this zone is there is a lot of buyers here. Whenever the sellers pushing that price down, the buyers is buying, creating dodges. Now the thing is that anything can happen for liquidity grab if the buyers not again are getting enough fuel. Okay, so we see that might come to this 20 EM again. So let's look at what's happening with euro dollar. Let's look at the XY. We look at all the USD pairs, what they're doing. So dollar CAD, especially DXY, we see that bullish. So dollar yen looks notoriously bearish, which is very expected. As I mentioned, dollar yen is very highly bearish. We see there is a melting to the downside. US oil is coming down. NASDAQ and US30 also started to drop. Okay, so gold should remain bullish. Only thing is that it's facing a resistance level. So from the 15 minutes chart, we see that there is a very strong bullish momentum still remaining, but let's see how it does. I think it might come to this 20 EMA zone. Should respect this support level. This should be seeing some. Okay, we see that ridiculously coming down for liquidity grab. It's hungry for liquidity. Okay, if it come hit there, so we might need to see another one. So it tested the 20 EMA. Okay, we should see the bullish move. Okay, now we should see some momentum. See back-to-back 3 dodges here. In fact, didn't let the price to go bullish. Very volatile. Okay, so we'll be closing this one. Let me see how it does. Let me see. We might need to close it break even. Okay, if it goes to the profit zone, as soon as it will go to the entry or profit zone, close it. Okay, so we'll be closing the trade as soon as it will hit the profit zone, or you can move your TP target, okay, at entry. So take profit at entry, and we will be closing this one as soon as it will reach that zone. So TP at entry. Move TP at entry. I will look for another trade. So you keep the stop loss same, but move your take profit target at entry. So any time is you'll have a spike, will take us the trade without any loss. So let's see how it does, and then we'll jump onto the other instrument. So keep that gold trade running like that. Okay, I moved my take profit at entry, so it should go up at least to have a spike, or even it could continue to go up, but because it already has made a dip, so we will be going out of this trade without, because there is a doji, it should go up to test this level here. Okay, as you can see, it's now showing some bullish momentum on this one. Okay, so let's see how it does. Now this is 1 hour candle, which gold is still bullish and it will remain bullish. Okay, this if again after testing the high, if gold come back down here, we will be buying again. Okay, but for the time being, we'll be closing this one and we'll look for another one. So you might see now going up. Okay, so let me look at other instrument. Keep that gold trade running. Yeah. Okay, we see that this is it will go for a spike, right? This narrower candle means it is giving another opportunity for going long. Okay, now it will start bullish move in a very crucial zone now, because we are on a trade. We shouldn't open any more position. keep that running still. From the 4-hour, we see that this long wick candle, this price, this candle formed is a bullish candle. Okay, we should be seeing a movement to the upside. It will go up because you see this 4-hour candle, which is a bullish candle. Okay, normally when you see the before the candle close, when the price come down like that, it goes ultimately up to fill that wick. So we should see this market pushing high. So in fact, this triple doji, this 5 minutes. So we see that. Okay, let's keep moving on other instrument. We'll come back to this one later. So we see that euro dollar, let's see what it did. Now initially we have seen that euro dollar, if we look at the daily, the price just tested the daily 20 EM, and from this one we see that rejection. Now let's look at all the euro pairs. Gbpusd has done the same thing. So we see that there's a, after this doji, there's a strong drop, Gbpusd, and this market also is highly bearish. Okay, so dollar CAD, dollar yen. So we see that DXY, gold and DXY is moving in the same direction. Very interesting. Okay, we see movement coming up. So once it will spike, it will have a very strong spike. Now it's pushing high. Okay guys, so make sure that you move your take profit at the entry. Once it will go spike, we'll get out of the trade, break even. Okay, we see that it's pushing high, and as soon as it will go to our entry, we are out of the trade. Okay, so gold is going up now. You want to see that it's going to the entry. It will move up. It will move up to the doji zone again, where there's our entry. So you see that there is a 4-hour candle close. This is also a bullish market structure. Okay, it's bullish price action. So we can keep that gold trade running to take us the break even. Keep that running. Let's see. Let me know in the chat, guys, which one you are opening, which one you're looking at. So let me look at from my side. You know, I was very happy with Gbpjpy. I just almost opened a position, and then it dropped so fast that I couldn't enter Gbpjpy. You can see that there's a doji here. This doji in fact grabbed liquidity twice. So first of all, there's a red candle, which is a bearish, followed by a doji, which is also a bearish. Back to back 2 candles grab liquidity, and then we saw that there's a big drop happen on Gbpjpy. So from that zone we have seen almost 194 pip or 200 pip drop on Gbpjpy. So going back to that, okay, we see the 1-hour candle close. Okay, so gold formed a very complex structure in this area. Okay, still I'm expecting it to go ahead and go to the entry to take us out of the trade. Okay, keep that running. This is still, let's see, this candle will determine in fact. So here we might see a double bottom and then push up, or we could see the drop. So let's see. It's the last 5 minutes of the 4-hour candle close. We might see reversal on gold. Let's see. Okay, keep that running. Let me look at the Gbpjpy. So Gbpjpy, you can see that there is a big rejection here, strong drop followed by this consolidation, and then we have seen that GJ in fact has formed a strong bearish price action. Now if you closely look at here, you can see that there is a market that is a strongly bearish the price was forming series of lower high along this zone, grabbed liquidity multiple times, and now the previous session there's a red candle, followed by we have seen another, this current session candle also is highly bearish. So we could potentially see that this market is coming down. And if you look at the daily, you can see that Gbpujpy from the daily perspective has a big middleman on the daily, followed by this red candle also is highly bearish here. Okay, so you could potentially see GJ is coming for a long-term bearish movement in this direction. So Gbpujpy is highly likely that this price will continue to drop in this direction. Okay, so Gbpujpy is bearish, and we see already movement. What I need is, you know, a false breakout to the upside and then to continue to drop. Okay, any kind of like this one here, any kind of liquidity gap will give us this cat JPY almost looking the same thing. Gbpujpy is almost the same way. There is a liquidity gap here. Now the price is pushing high, so this movement you see is giving us another probability to sell. We see that there is a structure here. Now this movement to the upside is coming to test this previous support here as a resistance, and we might see with this movement the price is going up, grab liquidity, and then to continuing to the downside. So yeah, Gbpujpy from this 4-hour time frame, the movement is happening is what I think that it's going up for a liquidity gap. So let it, once it will move up, okay, short-term movement, what I think this is a short-term movement, it might go to this 20 EMA, and from that zone we might see that GJ is rejecting. Okay, so let me look at all the pairs that, so Aussie yen also doing the same thing, it's coming out for retracement. So the market you see will do that more often or not. It will reverse and then it will come back to the down. So I think that gold might, this is the candle close on the 4-hour, which is closing as a doji. So I'm still on a trade. So we might see that in ultimately it's a very strong rejection. Let's see, still can expect it to push up to the entry. So let's see how it does. I'm still expecting it to go up to the entry. And this is a shooting star. This is doji, is also a bullish candle. Okay, that's good. So there's a bunch of dodge. There's a lot of liquidity. The price should come to that zone to grab liquidity. Okay. Okay, I think got the point now. It's moving up. You know, many times this happened. The price almost came near the stop loss and then went aggressively to the take profit target. This happens in trading all the time. Okay, so far this is a bullish candle. Okay, let's keep it running. Okay, see that euro dollar again rejecting from the top. So Gbpjpy, in case it is going up to this 20 EMA, because daily Gbpjpy is bearish, so any movement to the upside even to this level can give us, you know, opportunity to sell Gbpjpy again. Here we see euro dollar, this one I can expect. So any drop will give gold a big move to the downside. Okay, gold might be reversing. Might see reversal. Okay, keep that running. So let me look at Euro USD. Euro dollar is very volatile. So looking at the euro dollar, you can see that this market is trying to test this 20 EMA. At any point we could see that the price has gone up, hit that 20 EMA on the 4-hour, where there is a daily 20 EMA as well. So you might see a retest of this level at at any point. Same thing happening with GBP/JPY. So dollar CAD now pushing high. Let me look at the DXY. The gold here. Okay, gold now pumping up. Okay, we see that movement. Okay, that's good for us, pushing high. Needs to break to the upside to create a movement. So this current candle is closing above, leave that on. So from GBP/JPY, it's now testing this previous support here. Okay, with this couple of candles turning resistance. For me, I may open position if GBP/JPY is going along this zone where there is a 20 EMA, because this if you look at the daily, you can see this zone is a very high area of value, which is likely to happen. If it reach there, we can open position on GBP/JPY. I have a couple of. So it's moving up is to grab liquidity, which happens in the market all the time. Mirrors US oil. Okay, let me look at US oil. So US oil, as I mentioned, that US oil is very aggressively bearish because of the as you can see, the demand is dropping on US oil. If you look at monthly, you can see that this market is strongly falling market now. This happened during 2008 global economic crisis during that time, and we see that US oil now coming back down from that level from this time, which is a very high probability that US oil might continue to drop. Okay, so we can see that there is a significant movement in this market to the downside, and this previous session's candle, which is also a bearish candle, grab liquidity from the top. Okay, this is a long wick at the bottom, which is a bearish candle on US oil. Okay, if I look at the daily, we can see that there is a big drop may come in this instrument. Okay, that's why we see that gold is going up. Okay, euro, dollar, GBP, JPY, all of them is coming down. So gold is still bullish. Okay, at any point you can see it's trying to create a movement to the upside. Okay, we still could see this market is going up and filling that gap here. You can see on the lower time frame, on the 5 minutes, we see this market also trying to form a bullish market structure. Okay, if gold is now, if we did reverse from here to the upside, we could see another movement. Okay, are you still on gold trade? Let me know in the chat, guys. How many of you are still on gold trade? I'm still on the trade. If we see that it formed another bullish structure, we might again resume the trade to take the profit. but let's see. Okay, let's see. Keep running. Very good. It might form an inverted head and shoulder here and then could reverse to the upside. See, from the daily, you can see that this is the daily chart. Daily candlestick pattern is significantly bullish. Okay, we see that now gold is pushing high. This is a bullish engulfer. Okay, now there are two possibilities to happen. It might again create its bullish move, or it, because it's grab liquidity, or it might try to, I think it will continue to go up now. Okay, we are almost near the entry. I put my TP at entry, so that means I will be out of the trade, but it's up to you if you want to keep running or you want to exit on the entry. Okay, very hopeful that now it will go up. The way it is forming the price action, because it grabbed liquidity, it has momentum now. Okay, it might go up like that to the profit target. So I'm almost at the entry now. This is called trade management. You see that? Don't give up, just keep doing, keep trading, and should be able to find suitable solution all the time. Now in that zone there are dodges, so the price at least should revisit that area. Okay, we see that bullish move coming up here. I think that it may now continue to go up. Okay, because this move, what I see, you can see there is an inverted head and shoulder. Okay, and then grab liquidity to resume its uptrend. The GBP JPY also showing the same momentum. Okay, probably I was a bit earlier on gold trade, and that's why after this dodgy we easily could open position, but anyway we didn't lose anything so far. Okay, now there is a probability to drop. Let's see what it is doing now. Now keep running until it takes us out of the trade. Okay, the price action is still highly bullish. Right, so it's moving up now. Right, so I'm almost coming near my entry. I keep running. We should be able to get out of the trade, break even, or if you want to keep running, as I mentioned, you can keep running. It's up to you. But I'm because I already break even the trade, so I will be out of the trade at entry. I'll keep that like that. Let's see what happens. So looking at GJ, you can see that GJ now after going up. So one of you asked a question why GBP is going up, because it left this support unchecked. Now it tested this support as resistance. Now the price is rejecting to the downside. And if I look at like the euro dollar, it has done the same thing. It has gone up to test this level here, and most of the JPY pairs has done the same thing. Okay, so gold now almost near our entry. Looks like that gold will continue. Okay, continue to the upside. Okay, so I'm almost at entry. Okay, you see this is called trading. Now we are might be going out of the trade right now. There's a gap opening, so we could see some it's approaching a resistance level now. Okay, gold is going to profit zone, so you can keep running or you can go out of the trade now. So it's break even, so there's no loss, no gain for me. It's nearing the entry again. So it didn't take me out of yet. There's quite a few dodgy in that area, so there is a high liquidity. From here we could see some lower time frame retracement. Okay, I'm near the entry, but I'm still not out of the trade, so I'll still be there to okay, it's pushing up. So let me look at other instrument. We should be able to get out of the trade very soon. Have anyone is still on the trade, or you have closed it? Let me know in the chat. Okay. Very good. Fish. Amazing. Fish. Very good. Scalp 500. Very good. Well done. Gilbert. Amazing. Well done. WT is still in. Okay. Super. Okay, so we should be able to now, as I mentioned, that gold might be going, highly likely it will go up. Okay, so you can keep running the trade, or you can get out of the trade break even. So basically in that trade I'm break even out. Okay, I have no loss, no gain on the trade. And so see, this is, that's why I tell you guys that spend time on the live chart. You see that gold trade almost came to the stop loss, but it didn't hit and has gone up again, creating a reversal pattern. So this happens many times, and that's why patience is key. Do not close early by thinking that okay, might be going. So this is normally this is how I manage the trade. When I see that, for example, the trade didn't go in the direction that I expected, has come well below, I just bring the take profit and entry, because in that case I don't take loss, but I don't take profit. I just go out of the trade without any loss, and that's how I do in my trading. Okay, now here we see the way this price action is forming. Okay, we could see some consolidation here, so it's up to you. You might be able to get out now, or you wait for fully to be break even. Okay, so let me see what it is doing. It's still bullish. Okay, the way it has formed now, it might come down again for some deeper retracement. So here it might form some structure here again. Okay, let it form. Let me look at other instrument. So GJ, as you can see now it is coming back down again. Euro dollar again is coming back. So euro dollar, you can see this candle is forming, is still not formed, but the way it is forming, as I mentioned yesterday and today's analysis, euro dollar is highly bearish, so it could continue to drop, right? Very unpredictable price action. So going back to euro dollar, now if euro dollar, you can see this current sessions candle has just crossed this red candle's high. Now if euro dollar closing as a middleman, we might see that this one just continuing to the downside on euro dollar. And GBP USD, the same thing, and all the USD pairs, GBP JPY, you can see this doji, still not doji, but any movement to the upside on GBP JPY along this zone can give us a possibility to sell. Gold, okay, so gold is showing bullish momentum. Okay, gold to me is still bullish. As you can see, this gold has formed a double doji, which is bullish price action. Okay, gold is bullish to me. We have seen that okay, so now it is, because it tested this neckline, there was a reversal here. Should see some movement coming to the upside now. Okay, see how many candles and what are the structure created on gold. You can see that this is why patience is very important in trading, and you'll see this happens over and over in the market. Okay, now we should see some strong movement to the upside on gold, because the price, you can see this level as crucially important. You can see this is the previous resistance here, support here. Okay, and we saw that from that previous resistance turning support, this structure now forming. So if gold is going to bullish, then it should be jumping from here to the upside. So after testing 20 EMA, so let's look at all the pairs, how they're done. Okay, AUD CHF. AUD CHF showing significant bullish move. I think that AUD CHF will reach this daily 20 EMA, which is highly likely to happen. As you can see, this current candle is a bullish engulfer, which is still not close, but you can see there is a huge liquidity gap from this doji. There is another bullish candle. The price is forming formed an inverted head and shoulder, and which is a significant bullish move. So again, gold has gone to the zone. Okay, so now the way gold price action has formed, guys, if you want to keep the trade running, you can do that. Looks like that gold might be heading for a movement to the upside. It grabbed liquidity from here. Okay, if you want to move your take profit to the same zone, you can do that. It's up to you. I think that now gold will move in the direction that we expected. It's up to you. You can keep the trade running, or you can exit, break even, or you can reduce your size. It's up to you. Because it grabbed liquidity from here multiple times, we should be seeing that gold now going to the upside, probably will create a new higher high. Look at this 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we see that bullish move. Let this resistance to be broken. If this resistance not broken, then I will recommend you to close the trade right now. There's a doji here. Okay, I'm gonna exit with, okay, I'm gonna exit. I'm out at entry. Okay, so this is, as I mentioned, that this is now going to be bullish because it didn't break the resistance zone. There's a little bit of resistance, might find it. So have you got everyone exit the trade, or is still running? Let me know in the chat, guys. This one closing like this as a pin bar, as a bullish engulfer on the 15 minutes, which is okay. I think should be able to, everyone should be able to exit now. Are you running or you are exiting? Let me know in the chat. It's now probability for a move to the upside. Thank you. Yeah, it's look like that it's gained momentum. Now it should be pushing high. Thank you. How are you doing, coach? I'm good. Jim, thank you. I'm out. Thank you, boss. I'm back in gold. New trade 1937. Okay, very good. Running. I'm out of gold. Okay, Mansuki, no problems. Thank you. Okay, we are almost at the entry point. So So we got the basically gold trade break even. Okay, okay, so everyone should be breaking. So far we had total 4 trades on gold, and in that 4 trades 3 winner, 1 break even, so there is no losing on gold so far. Now let's find out what we can do next. So as I mentioned that if your position is smaller, because my position was very big, so I exit break even. If your position is smaller, there is a high probability for gold to continue to go up. It's up to you. You can keep running or you can exit. So let's look at what's happening on the market. Now yen getting very stronger, right? So we see that gold now, okay, gold is, we even could see very strong momentum to the upside on gold. Okay, US oil very strongly bearish, gold now going bullish. So everyone, guys, when you exit the trade, let me know in the chat, or if you are running, let me know in the chat so that I can move forward. Because if I see that some of you are still running, I need to give an idea of what because it's trade that I called and I need to tell you what should be done. In the meantime, join the free Telegram channel so that any live trade that we open, if we run the trade beyond this live session, I will keep all the update posted on the free Telegram channel. Let me give you a free Telegram channel link here as well. There is a link in the description on free Telegram, but let me give you so free Telegram link given on the chat. You can join now free Telegram to get all the updates. So this is trade management, you know. That's why, you know, learning is more important than doing anything. Okay, if you are doing day trading or, you know, scalping, management is very important. You know, when you are running a trade, you see that gold trade, we got out break even, right? So when this is what I do normally, when I see that, let's say a trade almost, I have lost hope that it will give me profit. If I'm watching the trade, I just make it to break even and I exit the trade. Even it is going in the direction, I just exit and try another one, because nothing I lose by, you know, doing a break even. As you can see now the way it is forming, gold is very highly bullish. We could see a movement. We'll look for another opportunity, because at the end of the day, market is always open. Okay, wherever the market is, there is always a trade in the market. Even we can enter another trade now, right, when we will get an entry. So nothing to be worried that, okay, I'm out of the trade. The main thing is that we didn't lose anything. Okay, we are break even, and we'll look for another opportunity again. Now on the other instrument, Gbpusd, okay, what we see that yesterday, this is what I mentioned, you see this movement on Gbpusd, it's a big drop, correction, it is in another impulsive phase. So best thing on in this market is that everything is trending. Guys, give a big like, smash the like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Vince, educational content, all the educational content in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy is on the website. So if you are our lifetime member, then you can access this from the website. So once you are joined, you will receive the username and password to access the website student dashboard, where everything is available, all the trading tools, all the strategies, all the details are available there. So if you are not there, I will invite you to join us in our in our Forex Trading Wizard Academy. A link in the description, and also there is a link at the top of this chat, our website. You can visit the website, scroll down, and then you will find the joining option. Once you join, everything, all the link and everything you will receive in your email address. So mentorship program link I'm giving you. So mentorship in this address. Okay, so we had so far, including this one, 7 trade. In the 7 trade, there are 4 gold trades, 3 winner, 1 break even just now. So these 3 trades are VIP trades. This one YouTube light trades. Total 7 trades, 7 of them, 6 of them winner. Okay, 7 or 8, I have to look at again, probably 8 or 9, sorry. 2 break even, including this one, 6 winner, so 8, yeah, total 1 loser. So 9 trades, 6 winner, 2 break even, 1 loser in the last 3-4 days and this week. So yeah, if you want to have more of them, you can join us. This link in the description area. Vince, thank you, no problems. Great job, Lee. Open 1925 and 19 plan to take profit 194. Great job, very good job. This is what we are doing, creating trader. You know, as I mentioned always, guys, it's not all about winning a trade or losing a trade. It's all about creating an identity of a trader. So what is an identity? Let's say if you go to a surgeon, if you need to do some surgery, you can see now gold is pushing high as expected, and you know you want to do a surgery, and you went to the person who doesn't know how to do the surgery. Maybe he will do the surgery without doing anesthesia. So that's why being a trader means learning the risk management, understanding how the market moves, how to manage the trade, and then once you learn, then take profit, pay the bills, easy. Okay, let me look at, so we see the dollar yen now after testing this level now started to drop. So euro dollar doing the same thing. So most of the instrument against yen getting very, very highly bearish. Let me know in the chat, guys, which one. I couldn't look at much yet, we are busy with the gold trade. So gold now going in the profit. Okay, let it go. Great job, keep running. Nathan, very good job. Yeah, let's gold make, yeah, exit. I'm out of gold. Steven, thank you, boss. Yep, gold jump up. So gold jump up, and gold is highly bullish. Okay, now also you see that we exit the trade break even, and at the same time we can learn something from it. Okay, see, I'm still also, as I mentioned, that I'm a trading coach, but still I sometimes learn. The thing that happened, I entered the trade on the news candle, okay, which in fact was a bullish candle, and the price in fact has gone up from the zone that we expected. But if you look at the 4-hour candle, which is also a news candle, and this is a doji, okay? Now, if I didn't enter that trade, wait for this 4-hour candle to be closed, then I would enter directly from here, okay? From this level, stop loss here, and TP target here. So it was a little bit of early entry, and because of that we closed it break even, but it's still, you can see it's going up. Vince, yes, absolutely. We do have a VIP chat group on Telegram, our VIP Telegram channel, where all the trade alerts is being shared, and also you have a separate group on Telegram. So all this you can access. There is a free Telegram channel also. So if you want to be on the VIP Telegram channel, then you can join us, link in the description area. Okay, so you see that dollar CAD has a 1 hour chart. See, dollar CAD is forming a doji. This is also a bull market. So we see the NASDAQ and US30, regaining some momentum. We saw that drastic drop before. And dollar yen, just looking at all those pairs to see. Okay, we see that Gbpujpy again regaining some momentum. So this movement now might take these pairs to the liquidity zone. You see that Gbpujpy, there's a weakless candle, and this long wick candle, this zone is unchecked yet. Okay, now with this, you see suddenly the price is pushing high. The market is very volatile due to the, when there is a crisis, the market is volatile. Okay, we see that all the news has been released. Tomorrow there is another one is coming, and Gbpujpy might go to test this 20 EMA, and I will be really selling Gbpujpy if I see that it reached that zone, which is less likely to happen, but if it happens. And if you look at daily, okay, you can see that there is a crossover just happened, 10 and 20 EMA, with this daily middleman GJ. In fact, for me is a big move down, and now the price is going up, means that it might break this daily high, which is a probability. If it happens, this is where I will be entering GJ for sell trade. Okay, euro dollar is doing the same thing. The price is now trying to go up and test this level. Okay, you see there is a daily 20 EMA on euro dollar with this gap opening. Highly likely euro dollar might test this level. Just looking at the Eurodollar and GBP/JPY to see what they are doing. GBP/JPY entered in a very high liquidity area. Eurodollar might test this 20 EMA on the daily, on the 4 hour. There's a daily 20 EMA as well. Very volatile market, guys, because of the global crisis that we see. Just trying to figure out what's happening in the market. On Aussie yen also, like all the yen pair now for the short term, yen a little bit of weaker, so that can give us potential for going short or long. So yen for the short term getting a little bit weaker is because of some of the fundamental reason. Let me look at Vince premium user of TradingView. So I'm just looking at all of this. So you can see dollar CAD on a very, this is the 1 hour candle. We can go long dollar CAD. See that CAD JPY also. So this, all those instrument is coming up for liquidity gap, so they're hungry, need liquidity for the movement. Okay, GBP USD also, you know, it's gone up for you can see there is a clean head and shoulder here, has broken down. The price still left an imbalance. There's support here which is turning resistance, and from here we can expect Gbpusd to continue to drop. Okay, UJ, so all of these, okay, UJ, GJ, all of them we need to see has broken this level 20 EMA zone on the lower time frame. We will be looking for selling opportunity, including Gbpusd. Okay, so gold reverted back from there, and so you likely close that position. I mentioned the very volatile market. Okay, as I mentioned, there are the market is extremely volatile. Okay, becoming very unpredictable. So in this kind of situation, you remember that there was a COVID-19 happen, and that time also the market did that. Okay, so in this situation the best way is to little bit of remain observant, because in this situation the market more often doesn't doesn't obey the rules of the market structure. Okay, so better to use always risk management plan and use a little bit of bigger stop loss when you are opening trade. I hope that everyone has safely got out of the gold trade. Let me know in the chat, because as you moved that TP at entry, guys, can you let me know in the chat if you safely go out of the trade on gold? Okay, so we see that, yeah, very good. Discounts, Muhammad Azil, thank you very much. Okay, very good, very good. So with that being said, let's see which one now giving. Okay, so as New York session, at the end of this New York session, in this kind of volatile situation, the best way is to wait for the candle close. Now gold, that we did a bit earlier, we opened but we got out of the trade. Very good. Okay, so you are on trade. Okay, so the best way is to wait for the market to come down, all right, and candle close, and then we will look for trading opportunity. Now where is the opportunity coming? If I am not even live, I'm telling you what could happen. In my opinion, anything could be wrong. You can see that Gbpusd, you can see that this market is now going up to this level where there is a 20 EMA. Now highly likely the price, if the price reach that level, it grab liquidity and then will drop. Okay, so this is the zone that I will target on the lower time frame for an entry on Gbpusd. For euro dollar also the same level. This is the zone that I will be. So the 20 EMA is very important now on most of the pairs on euro dollar, Gbpusd, and dollar yen also. You can see the dollar yen now creating this movement to the upside. Highly likely that it might, if it breaks this level, will give us selling opportunity. So all of them I will be looking to sell: euro dollar, Gbpusd, and all of them. So with that said, I really enjoyed this live session, guys. Hopefully that you enjoyed too. I will keep watching the pairs for an entry opportunity. If you want to be with me, trade with me further in the VIP Telegram channel, also you can find the link in the description. Visit the website, join us to learn our strategies and also trade with us. Anyone looking for a regulated broker, also link in the description. You can use Trade, they are regulated and your capital will be in the safe hand. So I will be looking forward to have some more trade later today and also tomorrow. There is quite a few high impact news coming up on the market. So yeah, there is another one is coming tomorrow, which also a very high, and we'll be covering in this live session also. So make sure you use. So Lee, you didn't go out. So for those who didn't still running the gold trade, so I would recommend you to exit break even. So you should be able to, you see a 1 hour chart, the price just tested this, so it should go up again because the market is volatile. It will go up. I'll recommend you to exit break even and then wait for another opportunity. If you are in our VIP group, then you should see on the Telegram channel. If you're not there, then I will recommend you to exit the break even and then see what happened. Market is very unpredictable now. That's why I will look for the best trading opportunity after the candle close. Then you will know it. Thank you. I'll see you soon.